I recently just got this LG ultra wide 45-inch monitor. It's a gaming monitor. However, I just use it because I work remotely. And before I had two monitors set up and there was so many cords everywhere. It was very messy. It was hard to get the monitors even. So I found it just easier to upgrade and go ahead and get myself one monitor. I like the fact that it's curved because as you're sitting and looking at the screen and you look to this side, for example, it's slightly closer to you. So I think that's a nice feature rather than just having it straight and it all feels so far away. It came packaged very securely. Here is the original box. As you can see, the styrofoam is curved as well. And then it had this on top of it with all the other accessories. Speaking of other accessories, it comes with its own mount that has it stand on your desk. However, I chose to get another mount. So this is the mount that I have. It can hold up to 35 pounds and it's a gas spring mount. And what that means is it can move closer to me, which I love because at the end of the day, when my eyes start to get tired, I will like move the monitor, which has helped greatly with my posture. Instead of leaning forward like this, I just pull the monitor closer. Additionally, since it's a gas spring, not only does it move forward, but it can move up and down. So this is seriously the best arm I've ever had. It's really easy to manipulate the monitor and move it wherever you need it to go. So however you need your setup, it'll work for you. I also like the fact that at the end of the day, I can just move it back and my table is open. And if I need to write notes or use my table for anything else, I can kind of like close this off and have my table open. The other thing about having this setup is you can mirror what's on here or you can have it separately. And the fact that it's so wide, you can have one set of things here, another set over here. Like I can be working at three different things at once, which is really nice because usually this is my email, this is a website, and then this is Excel. I need all three at the same time. So it's really nice to have a big screen like this where I can have multiple tabs open and I don't have to constantly switch back and forth. They're all side by side. So all in all, upgrading my work from home setup has been like a huge help.